Did you know that the crown of England was once lost in a bush? Picture this. It's 1485 at the Battle of Bosworth. King Richard III charges into battle on his horse, crown gleaming on his head. But then disaster strikes. Richard falls in combat, and as he dies, his golden crown literally rolls off his head and disappears into a nearby hawthorn bush. Now here's where it gets crazy. Henry Tudor's soldiers spend hours frantically searching the battlefield for this missing crown. They're crawling through bushes and digging through dirt, while Richard's dead body lies stripped and beaten just meters away. Think about it. The entire future of English royalty hung on finding a piece of jewelry lost in some vegetation. The fate of a kingdom depended on a game of hide and seek with a crown. When they finally found it tangled in that hawthorn bush, Henry Tudor was so impressed that he made the hawthorn his official royal symbol. One random bush literally changed English heraldry forever. Don't forget to subscribe for more daily history facts.